Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Java on Windows 11 with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your browser and in the search window here, type in Oracle Java and hit enter. Open this option. Now down here, click download Java. Scroll down and with the latest Java version selected, click Windows down here. Click this second link here and the download will begin. Once the download is complete, go to the folder with your downloads. Here you see the installer. Double click and click run. On this page, click next. Click next again. Once the installation is complete, click close. Click local disk C, then double click program files to open it. Now scroll down till you locate Java, then double click to open it. Double click JDK23. Then double click bin. Now click up here, then right click and select copy. Now click the Windows icon, then type environment variables and hit enter to open it up. Now click environment variables. Under system variables, scroll down and double click path. Click new, then press Ctrl V to paste the path you copied. Click OK. Click OK to close this page, and then finally close this page by clicking OK. Now click the Windows icon and type CMD for command prompt. Hit enter to open it up. Type in Java space dash dash version, then hit enter. You can see Java has been installed successfully. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.